Actual ATI TEAS 7 questions. Question 1. After Emerald Group 52 reads a passage about hand hygiene during the original practice review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. All microbes are harmless. Option B. Most infections begin at home. Option C. Gloves remove the need for soap. Option D. Hand hygiene reduces the spread of infection. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it summarizes the central point that clean hands protect patients and staff. All microbes are harmless is wrong because the passage treats microbes as a risk to control, and most infections begin at home is wrong because home exposure is not the focus of the passage. Gloves remove the need for soap is wrong because the passage focuses on hand washing and does not claim gloves replace it. Question 2. When Emerald Group 52 sees details that a passage says a patient has dry lips, dark urine, and dizziness when standing, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The patient may be dehydrated. Option B. The patient has improved vision. Option C. The patient needs more noise. Option D. The patient has perfect hydration. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because dry lips, dark urine, and dizziness are consistent with low fluid balance. The patient has improved vision is wrong because vision is not discussed, and the patient needs more noise is wrong because noise has no connection to the symptoms given. The patient has perfect hydration is wrong because the symptoms point away from good hydration. Question 3. During Emerald Group 52's original practice review, a passage warns that skipping directions can cost points and tells students to underline command words. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To rank science topics by difficulty. Option B. To describe a historical event. Option C. To explain how to build a desk. Option D. To advise students on careful test reading. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the warning and strategy are designed to guide reader behavior. To rank science topics by difficulty is wrong because the focus is reading directions, not science topics, and to describe a historical event is wrong because no event from history is described. To explain how to build a desk is wrong because no construction steps are included. Question 4. While Emerald Group 52 outlines a passage that moves from registration to test day to score report, which structure is being used? Option A. Problem and solution. Option B. Classification. Option C. Cause and effect. Option D. Chronological order. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the details follow the order in which events happen. Problem and solution is wrong because no main problem is introduced and solved, and classification is wrong because the passage is not grouping types. Cause and effect is wrong because the focus is sequence rather than results. Question 5. Before Emerald Group 52 accepts the claim that balanced review should include all 4 subject areas, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. Math uses numbers. Option B. Science books are often heavy. Option C. The cafeteria closes early. Option D. A student who skipped science lost more points there despite strong math practice. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the example shows that leaving out a subject can hurt performance. Math uses numbers is wrong because that fact does not show all subjects need review, and science books are often heavy is wrong because book weight is unrelated to balanced review. The cafeteria closes early is wrong because cafeteria hours do not support the claim. Question 6. Since Emerald Group 52 sees the word consistent in her scores became consistent after she used the same review routine, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Extremely silent. Option B. Rarely seen. Option C. Completely random. Option D. Steady or reliable. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because consistent describes results that do not vary wildly. Extremely silent is wrong because sound level is unrelated, and rarely seen is wrong because the sentence is about pattern, not visibility. Completely random is wrong because random is the opposite of steady. Question 7. Given Emerald Group 52 answers 2 out of 5 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 40%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 28.57%. Option D, 60%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 2 divided by 5 equals 0.4, and multiplying by 100 gives 40%. 25% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole, and 28.57% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. 60% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction. Question 8. If Emerald Group 52's score rises from 80 to 92, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 115%. Option B, 12%. Option C, 13%. Option D, 15%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 12, and 12 divided by the original score 80 equals 15%. 115% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase, and 12% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. 13% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value. Question 9. Suppose Emerald Group 52 solves 4x plus 9 equals 45. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 36. Option B, 9. Option C, 10. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 9 leaves 4x equals 36, and dividing by 4 gives x equals 9. 36 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer, and 10 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. 8 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. Question 10. Using Emerald Group 52's rectangle diagram with 7 cm long and 6 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 1 square cm. Option B, 42 square cm. Option C, 13 square cm. Option D, 26 centimeters. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 7 times 6 equals 42. 1 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area, and 13 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them. 26 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area. Question 11. From Emerald Group 52's measurement note of 1250 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 125 L. Option B, 0.125 L. Option C, 1.25 L. Option D, 12.5 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1250 milliliters divided by 1000 equals 1.25 liters. 125 L is wrong because it moves the decimal in the wrong direction, and 0.125 L is wrong because it divides by 10,000 instead of 1000. 12.5 L is wrong because it divides by 100 instead of 1000. Question 12. In Emerald Group 52's score set 69, 88, 70, 71, 67, which median should be reported? Option A, 73. Option B, 67. Option C, 88. Option D, 70. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 67, 69, 70, 71, 88, and the middle value rule gives 70. 73 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method, and 67 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. 88 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. Question 13. For Emerald Group 52, 3 review packets cost $6. At the same rate, how much do 7 packets cost? Option A, $21. Option B, $13. Option C, $12. Option D, $14. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $6 divided by 3 gives $2 per packet, and 7 packets cost $14. $21 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $13 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. $12 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. Question 14. Near Emerald Group 52's waste breakdown review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, ribosomes. Option C, nucleus. Option D, lysosomes. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because lysosomes contain enzymes that break down wastes and worn cell parts. Endoplasmic reticulum is wrong because the ER helps transport and process molecules rather than digesting waste, and ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes make proteins. Nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores genetic information. Question 15. Because Emerald Group 52 traces circulation and blood returns from the lungs, where does it go next? Option A, vena cava into the left ventricle. Option B, pulmonary veins into the left atrium. Option C, pulmonary artery into the lungs. Option D, aorta into the right atrium. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because oxygenated blood returns from the lungs through pulmonary veins to the left atrium. Vena cava into the left ventricle is wrong because the vena cava returns systemic blood to the right atrium, and pulmonary artery into the lungs is wrong because that carries blood away from the right ventricle. Aorta into the right atrium is wrong because the aorta carries blood from the left ventricle to the body. Question 16. Although Emerald Group 52 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, thick cartilage rings. Option B, very dry surfaces. Option C, thin walls and many nearby capillaries. Option D, large bone plates. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because thin surfaces and rich blood supply shorten diffusion distance for gas exchange. Thick cartilage rings is wrong because cartilage supports airways but would slow diffusion in alveoli, and very dry surfaces is wrong because gas exchange requires moist surfaces. Large bone plates is wrong because bone is not part of alveolar gas exchange. Question 17. Once Emerald Group 52 notices that dehydration increases and thirst becomes stronger, which process explains the response? Option A, homeostatic regulation. Option B, genetic drift. Option C, mechanical digestion. Option D, blood clotting cascade only. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because thirst motivates fluid intake to help restore water balance. Genetic drift is wrong because genetic drift is a population-level allele change, and mechanical digestion is wrong because mechanical digestion breaks food into pieces. Blood clotting cascade only is wrong because clotting is not the water balance response. Question 18. Where Emerald Group 52 studies genetics and both parents have genotype TT for a dominant trait, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 50%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 0%. Option D, 100%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each parent can pass only T, so all offspring receive TT. 50% is wrong because there is no recessive allele to create a half-and-half outcome, and 25% is wrong because that pattern requires different parental allele combinations. 0% is wrong because all offspring inherit the dominant allele from both parents. Question 19. As Emerald Group 52 reviews chemistry and an atom has 11 protons, which conclusion follows? Option A. It has 11 electron shells. Option B. It has no charge. Option C. Its mass number must be 11. Option D. Its atomic number is 11. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because atomic number equals the number of protons in an atom. It has 11 electron shells is wrong because shell number is not determined directly by proton count, and it has no charge is wrong because charge depends on the proton-electron balance, not proton count alone. its mass number must be 11 is wrong because mass number equals protons plus neutrons. Question 20. Under Emerald Group 52's experiment testing whether light color affects algae growth, which setup is the control group? Option A, algae that are never measured. Option B, algae with different water and different light. Option C, algae placed in a warmer room only. Option D, algae kept under white light while all other conditions match. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a baseline light condition with matching variables allows fair comparison. Algae that are never measured is wrong because growth must be measured to compare results, and algae with different water and different light is wrong because changing water and light prevents isolating the cause. Algae placed in a warmer room only is wrong because temperature becomes the tested factor instead of light color. Question 21. Between Emerald Group 52's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The data from the lab are recorded carefully. Option B. The data from the lab be recorded carefully. Option C. The datum from the labs are recorded carefully. Option D. The data from the lab is recorded carefully. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because data is commonly treated as plural in formal science usage, so are fits. The data from the lab be recorded carefully is wrong because be is not the correct finite verb here, and the datum from the labs are recorded carefully is wrong because singular datum would need is. The data from the lab is recorded carefully is wrong because some informal usage allows this, but formal science grammar often treats data as plural. Question 22. Inside Emerald Group 52's sentence, the students placed blank notebooks under the desk. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, their. Option B, its. Option C, his. Option D, ourself. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because students is plural, so the plural possessive pronoun there agrees. Its is wrong because it refers to a singular non-human noun, and his is wrong because his is singular and masculine, so it does not agree with students. Ourself is wrong because ourself is not the standard pronoun form. Question 23. Through Emerald Group 52's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option B, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C, Maya studied because science was hard. Option D, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb, and Maya studied because science was hard is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon. Question 24. According to Emerald Group 52's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. The student read the chart, and she checked the units. Option B. The student read the chart, she checked the units. Option C. The student reading the chart and checked the units. Option D. The student read the chart, she checked the units. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a comma plus coordinating conjunction correctly joins the two independent clauses. The student read the chart, she checked the units is wrong because a comma alone creates a comma splice, and the student reading the chart and checked the units is wrong because the wording creates an awkward fragment. The student read the chart, she checked the units is wrong because two independent clauses are fused with no punctuation. Question 25. Beyond Emerald Group 52's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix tachi add? Option A, under. Option B, slow. Option C, around. Option D, fast. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because tachi means fast, as in tachycardia meaning a fast heart rate. Under is wrong because under is sub-dash, and slow is wrong because slow is Brady dash, not tachi dash. Around is wrong because around is Perry dash.